Hi, this is Julianne with Life Edit and Design, and welcome to this fun short session on how to kind of update your Notion life operating system for the seasons. So we're into the fourth quarter now, and it's the fall season here in the Northern Hemisphere, and I thought it'd be fun just to take you through kind of what I do and give you some inspiration as to how you might want to update your own system. So let me get stuff out of the way here. So just some quick notes on what you might want to do for the fall season. So first is, why would you want to make over your page? Well, why not? I mean, what we have here inside of Notion is the ability to change things so easily. You can't do that with a paper planner, can't do that with a digital planner, but Notion gives you the ability to change your covers, change your icons, change colors all throughout your site. So why wouldn't you do that? So I really want you to take some inspiration from the season and really incorporate it so that your pages are fresh and you're not seeing the same things over and over and over. So some of the themes that, if you watch the quarter four update on how to do some of the major themes for the season, they, just as a reminder, they're balance, harvest, celebration, preparation, endings and letting go, and making decisions, like what you're going to keep and what you're going to let go. That's a whole decision factor that you want to take into account. And again, you can watch the whole quarter four video if you want to see in depth how we do that. But if these are your themes, how do you want to incorporate that into your headers and into your colors? So the first thing you want to do is really take a cue from nature, right? Nature has all the colors that we need right now. So here are the major colors that you'll see, at least here in the Northern Hemisphere, especially if you live where I do in upstate New York. We get the leaves to change colors. And so these are some of the colors. So brown represents that balance, right, from our theme, and family, grounding, home and hearth, stability. So again, great color. So you want to be aware what the colors mean. So as you're using them, they're triggering as you're looking at your scenes, as you're at your covers. You're being triggered by what these colors mean. So orange, again, is a more of a balancing color, and it's kindness and warmth, action, luck, and optimism. So you should be excited when you see orange, right? Red can also mean changes, which this is what the season's all about, is changing from one, it's a big transition season, right, from summer to winter. And then wisdom, action, protection, passion. Green is harmony, healing, generosity, growth, and love. And generosity really comes into play, right, when people are thinking of November. That's a big theme, is being generous to your neighbor. And then yellow, creativity, light, happiness, and optimism. And I really think you need a little bit of that yellow because we're going into winter where light seems to go away, right? There's the absence of brightness and light. Optimism might feel a little bit too deep, too hard to reach once you're into the depths of winter. So it's really great to build in some yellow as you're going into your fall themes to really kind of balance some of these more grounding colors, the browns and the orange. So a little bit of yellow, that light. So let's take a quick look at some of my covers. So here, I keep this as my main header on my daily dashboard page. So I use the nice brown color, but I put some fall leaves in the background, and you can grab icons. This is one of the free icons that's right in the emoji section. So you can do that. And I also changed the header. So this is my daily dashboard. So I don't change the link on my synced block, but here I changed this to one of the themes so that as I'm going through every day I'm reminded what this major theme is for the season. I even updated, these are some of my regular blocks that happen every month. We can take a quick look at tomorrow. So I updated some of those ones to be fall themed. So these are my recurring tasks, and I made them a little bit fall themed just to go again with this whole nature theme, the transition theme. And then we went through, and if I look at my covers, so here you can see that I've changed all my covers to these fall themes. And it's so easy to do. Once you have your covers, changing the background and changing the colors is very, very easy. And it's kind of fun. Why wouldn't you do it? Why wouldn't you have some fun with everything that you do? So these are all my different covers. It took me just minutes to go in and change them. And if you are in the Notion Hub, you have free access to all of my Canva covers so that you can go in and you could just change these yourself. So you have access as part of the Notion Hub to go in and change that. And how to get access to the Notion Hub, you've either bought one of my Etsy planners, which the link is down below, or you've taken the free course on how to do a 5-step life operating system. That course, I take you right through how to create your own system so that you have your own great daily dashboard and some of these pages here to really help you plan your season. So I hope that you'll take a chance to take that free course, and I guess I'll put the link down below in the resources section. But you should be doing this, or you have the opportunity to do this every single season. So why wouldn't you really embrace it and have some fun. Like, this is a very motivating statement for me, and I can change it as the quarters go by. So in January, I'll probably make this something very different. But when Christmas season rolls around, I'm going to update this whole cover and I'll change the icons. So Notion allows you to do that. Why not have fun? And I've changed some of the colors here, and added some leaf emojis. And here I've got, a chestnut. So just, again, use the free emojis. You don't have to spend a whole lot of time, but schedule 15-20 minutes to go through and give your little Notion Life operating system an update for the fall. So that's it for this short video, and I hope to see you very soon in another video.